Detailing. Today we are working on a Ford Fusion. It's a 2014 Ford Fusion, and we're doing just an interior only to it. So let's see what we have in store for today. It has cloth seats, cream colored cloth seats, and black carpet. So the carpets are not going to be heavily stained or anything, but the seats definitely are. So let's take a look at those. So overall, it's not horrible, but these cloth seats are definitely going to need some steaming, maybe some extraction. So let's get started.
But if I'm late, boo-hoo, the one my heart has gone to mean I want to wait.
Okay guys, we are done with the Ford Fusion. So let's take a look at how it came out. Now these seats are really difficult to clean. We steamed them heavily, but they look funny when they're wet. And it looks a little muddled. These are just, it's raining. It just started raining, so this is just raindrops. But these seats stain with just water, which is really, really stupid. But we gave them our best shot to really try to clean them up. And I'll show you the back seats. We did the same thing to the back seats, and they looked like that, muddled, and they dried nicely. And that's some sort of a bleach stain. Looks kind of crazy on camera. And that's just still drying. But this seat here looked like the front seat, and already it's drying nicely. But these are just horrible seats to try to clean. You can steam them and steam them and steam them, and sometimes marks still remain. And this, of course, is damage. Not sure what type of chemical. We tried steaming it and nothing happened. Same with this. It's some sort of dye. It's just hardened onto the plastic and onto the fabric. Okay guys, that's gonna do it for today. I know, I'm home now. I tried to get some footage, but it started to rain as we were just finishing up that interior job. So the Ford Fusion is now done. As you saw, those cloth seats are so difficult to clean. We tried our best to steam them. We could have extracted them, but we have found that with some of those stains, extracting them just puts more water into it, and when they dry, they look exactly the same as if we would have steamed them. So in our experience, usually we just heavily steam them. We will use some cleaning chemical to try to get out some of the nasty stains. I think that driver's seat had something more than just water stains in it. Could have just been some coffee stains or other drink stains, but it looked much better. But those cloth seats, and especially that color, is very difficult to clean. Overall, it looks much, much better. So that vehicle is done, but I wanted to show you something that came in today that I ordered on autopia.org, I believe. They were running a sale, so I really wanted to get one of these. Let's see what it is. That's right guys, I got the Detailer's Helper belt. I've been wanting one of these for a couple of years. I tried to justify not getting it. I'd buy pants with cargo pockets on it and put my polishes in there, but it's just not the same. So they had a sale and I went ahead and bought one of these. So in the next few videos you'll probably see me trying it out, and I'll give you my thoughts on you know, how it works. And I believe it came with, you know, the main one here, pocket, a little pocket, and it came with this other little, probably for like a belt loop. Oh, someone's calling. And then a larger pocket. Here's the belt part, a Velcro belt, and then a really large pocket. And it's nice material. So we'll test it out, see how that works. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and hope to see you next time. Take care, everyone. Bye.